Hi everyone, it's Stanley here and welcome back to Stanley in the City. So as you can see, New York City had a crazy snowstorm, and so I decided to take my camera out that day, and I thought for today's video we would do a walking tour and I would talk about some of my favorite places along the way. So here I am walking along 42nd Street, passing through Hell's Kitchen, and the first stop I want to mention is a place called 44NX. I think this place is super special to me because the first time I ever came to New York City, this is where my husband took me for dinner, and that same night he proposed to me after literally about 3 months of dating. And so I think this place just has a special place in my heart, and I also came here recently for my 30th birthday. The food here was delicious, and I think the last time we were here, I think I ordered the hamachi sashimi with blood oranges, blood orange syrup, avocado, and micro celery. And as my main, I got the pan-roasted mahi-mahi with butternut squash and black truffle risotto, braised haricot verres, and bourbon chipotle barbecue glaze. So yum. One of my favorite new traditions since moving to Manhattan was going to a place called Holy Cream for dessert. I feel like it's become a tradition because every time we go out for dinner anywhere, we always end up going to Holy Cream for dessert just because it's kind of on the way and close to our house. And I also just really like their ice cream. And so some of my favorite ice cream flavors from them are Moose Tracks, strawberry cheesecake, and coffee mud pie. I'm a little embarrassed to admit that I haven't tried their donut ice cream sandwiches, which is kind of what they're famous for, but I swear I'll try them the next time I go there. Now, I can't go through this list without mentioning a place called Tim Ho Wan. We come here for our dim sum cravings or whenever we're really just craving their barbecue pork buns. They are a must-order item and I highly recommend them. And the first time I've actually been to this place was when I went on a trip to Hong Kong. I heard about it because it was on multiple articles and stuff that it was the cheapest 1-star Michelin restaurant ever. And so they weren't wrong. This place in Hong Kong was amazing, and luckily we live like 5 minutes away from this place in Hell's Kitchen, and we can order their barbecue pork buns all the time, and my husband is obsessed with them. So I'm currently on my way walking to the subway station, and we're almost into Times Square. You know, a lot of New Yorkers kind of bash on Times Square and they hate it, and a part of me understands what they mean because it's so busy, it's so touristy. But during the pandemic, it's been really quiet, and I think reading the news, like the foot traffic has gone down a lot significantly. And so it's actually been kind of enjoyable walking through it. And there's something about all the bright lights and the signs that I kind of love. And like, I have to pass through Times Square every day just to get on the subway and stuff, and I swear every time I get off the station or get on the station, like the song In New York or Welcome to New York, It's Been Waiting for You by Taylor Swift literally goes in my head all the time. So here I am, I'm in Brooklyn now. I got off at like 8th Avenue, but I'm walking on 7th. Now, I have to mention this Vietnamese place called Tanda. They have amazing vermicelli, but honestly, they make the best banh mi that I've tried. I mean, I've gone to multiple places in Manhattan, in Brooklyn, and this is definitely my go-to place. I just don't know, it's like the proportions they have with meat and the vegetable and the way they cook their meat, it just tastes so good, so I highly recommend it. During the process of editing this video, I've come to realize that I'm a little obsessed with barbecue pork buns. So here's another place called Wei Mei Zan on 7th Avenue. They make their steamed barbecue pork buns fresh every day. I think it's like a 6-pack for like something cheap like $3 or $5, and it is so good. Now, one of the benefits of checking out Chinatown, whether you're in Manhattan, Brooklyn, or Flushing, is you can find amazing, authentic, delicious food for cheap. And so I definitely think you need to check it out. And finally, I have to mention Dragon Bay Bakery. I've been coming here almost every single day whenever I'm in Brooklyn and just getting their milk tea. It's like $2 for a large cup, and I'm not sure what type of milk they put in. I've been trying to like spy on the type of brand they use to no luck, but it's just so delicious and good, and definitely a cup of this is excellent on a day like today. Well, that concludes our walking tour through 42nd and 8th Avenue. And if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We release new videos every Tuesday. And until next time, stay safe and stay warm, everybody. Bye.